Would you rather grab a meal from McDonald's or Burger King? Would you pick mousse or flan for dessert? Which would you choose, pizza or tacos? Would you refresh yourself with a Pepsi or a Coca-Cola? Would you rather a cheeseburger or a corn dog? For dessert, would you go with chocolate cake or ice cream? Which restaurant stays on your must-visit list? Would you prefer a warm cup of coffee or hot chocolate? Choose one to keep, bacon or fries. Which would you give up, chicken nuggets or buffalo wings? Would you rather comment your name and favorite food or eat a burnt burger? What's your go-to dip, guacamole or cheese sauce? Would you rather drink Red Bull or Monster Energy? How do you like your meat, well done or medium rare? Would you choose a sausage or a hot dog? Which candy bar wins, Kit Kat or Snickers? Would you rather eat Doritos or Pringles? Would you rather eat pizza or pasta? What's your breakfast pick, brownie or cupcake?